Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create this sultry bombshell look with deep mesmerizing lips, a soft glam eye, and fluffy lashes. Keep watching so you can learn how to hypnotize whom you choose on your next evening out. First step is primer. Since my skin is super oily, I like to use this primer by Black Opal. Smooth it all over your face. The fluffy lashes that I'm wearing today is Sagittarius by Alexia Beauty. Okay doll, you want to grab your foundation. This is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm using it with a duo fiber brush from Crown Brushes. This is an amazing brush because it allows you to blend your foundation very quickly, and you just dab all around your face to make sure it's nice and evenly blended. I choose to do my foundation before I do my eyeshadow when I'm applying makeup on myself, but when I'm working on my clients, I choose to do their eyeshadow first so that I can clean up fallout and then apply the foundation after so it has a more clean finish. Next, you'll take this Infallible Pro Glow Concealer by L'Oreal and apply it underneath your eye in a triangular shape so that you have maximum highlighting. Also, you want to apply your highlighter to the outer corners of your mouth, the chin, the center of the forehead, and the nose bridge. Okay, next I'm taking my blending brush by BlackPink. This is a multi-purpose blender, and I'm dabbing out my concealer. This concealer is about 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone because I have really dark under eye circles and I like to cancel out the darkness and also just brighten up the face for a more youthful glow. This is my favorite powder of all times. It's by Coty and it's the Airspun Extra Coverage Translucent Powder. I'm going to use this with my fan brush from BlackPink and dab this all around my face so that every part of my foundation is set. After all of your areas are set, this brush makes it nice and easy so you can dust away the excess powder. This palette is by Morphe. And first I'm going to go in with the warm shade because once you have your face all corrected with one even tone, you want to warm it up a little bit so that it brings it back to life. I'm going underneath my cheekbone structure to bring it out, and you'll see me go around the perimeter of my face as well for proper contrast between the highlight points and the contour points. Make sure you get the forehead line. You don't want a hard stop when it comes to your foundation and hairline. That's a dead giveaway that you did not blend your foundation into your hairline. And the side of your nose, just to give a little bit added dimension so it's not completely bare. Once you have your face all warmed up with the warm contour shade, you want to grab a cool tone or a shade about 3 shades darker than your actual face complexion and go into the deeper hollow points of your cheekbone and around the hard angles of your face just to soften them out and add a little bit more depth. Next, I'm going in with my Coty Airspun powder and going over the edges of my highlight and contour to make sure they are properly blended and smooth. You'll want to grab your eyeshadow primer. This one is by Elizabeth Arden. I'm using my blending brush and applying it to my eyelid first to make sure it has a proper white background. Once you have your eyelid built up to the right intensity, you want to take the blending brush and smooth out the edges. And make sure you get underneath your eye as well. The first shade I'm going to go into is a soft beige color, and I'm going to apply it to my brow bone area in a dabbing motion that it builds up true color intensity and blend out the edge. I'm going to go on with the pink nude shade for my transition color and warm up right underneath my highlight and right above where my crease starts. Next, I'm taking this soft brown color and going into the crease area and dabbing motions to build up a little bit more intensity in the crease area. Dabbing motions like this will help prevent your makeup from falling on your face. Once you have the proper intensity built up with your dabbing motions, you would then blend out the edges. Next, I'm taking a little bit more of my transition shade on a fluffier blending brush. This is most likely a MAC 224, and I'm softening out the edges. Next, I'm going to go into this charcoal color, and I'm going to dab it on the very back part of my back crease, right on the very line of my crease area. Notice that I'm using the brush 217 from MAC to keep the black in a controlled, precise area. Once again, I grab my 224 and I'm blending out the edges. The fluffier blending brush is going to keep the upper part of your eyeshadow smoothly blended so that there's no hard lines. Once it's soft and blended, I'm going to go into this shimmery nude color in my Morphe palette and dab it onto my eyelid. Morphe makes some uber shimmery eyeshadows, so what you want to do is pat the shimmer into place. So it's still creating fallout, so what I'm going to do is take my Fix Plus spray and spray my eyelid so that it has a little bit more dampness to attach to. Once you do this, the color opacity can be reached more quickly, and it also minimizes the fallout on your cheeks. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Intense Brush Tip Liquid Eyeliner and brushing right along the top lash line. And then drawing it out to the side and making a nice wing. You can use this eyeliner for touching up your eyelashes for the powder that fell down. And I'm going in with the soft brown color and going right underneath my bottom lash line to add a soft smoky effect. You'll want to use an angle brush for the bottom lash line to apply your eyeshadow for a precise effect. And I'm using a brush 217 from MAC to blend out those edges. Next, I'm using my 360 eyelash curler by Kiss and curling up my eyelashes. Next, I'm using my L'Oreal Feline Noir mascara to darken my lower lashes. This is our magic concoction of the day, Wildfire by Ruby Kisses and Penelope by NYX. First, you want to go in with your black and draw a thick outline for the edges of your lipstick. And then with your finger, you want to go in and pat in the red lipstick in the center. This is becoming a bit dark for me, so what I'm going to do is take a Kleenex and blot it off a little bit and continue to add in the red until the proper red is reached. And finally, I'm here at this level that I want. Next, I'm taking my foundation I used earlier and a shader brush, and I'm going around the edges of my lips to clean it up and give it a nice, professional, crisp finish. Make sure you take the blending brush and soften out your corrections. This is a blush by e.l.f. and it's the HD, and I'm taking my angled blending brush and dabbing it on to the apples of my cheeks and building it outward. If you see everything is balanced, you're all done. So take your Fix Plus, spray yourself like crazy, and wave it out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. It was so fun creating this look with the deep lips and sultry eyes. If you found this video helpful, please like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. And as always, be you and stay glamorous. Bye.